This is the direction of Southern Regis Trail here in Singapore. Then we need to follow this. It's my first time to come here, so let's go. And so we start here our hiking of Southern Ridge Trail here in Alexandra. We just came from the footbridge there downstairs just now as we must know. Singapore is a clean and modern country. So this is my first time coming here as well. So I don't know if until where our feet can walk. There it is. There are lots of exits and entrance, so we don't know which one is which. We just follow the signs, the directions here. So this way is going to Henderson Waves. It's connect to the Marang Trail and Henderson Waves all the way to Mount Faber. But let's see how, because this treetop trail is quite long. It takes for 2 to 3 hours walk all the way to the Hilltop. So let's go. Welcome to my channel. Bethchay Caro is here. So we arrived here around 10:30 in the morning. So it's quite hot as you can see, guys. It's a sunny day. We should come here early in the morning. That's because of the heat, or in the evening. Kaso lang ano siya, guys, medyo late na kami, so there is no choice. All we need to do is we need our cups, bottles, umbrella, and that's all. We can hike, ready to hike, to see the coolness and the beauty of the environment. As we can see, guys, it's full of trees. Along the way is we can find and we can meet people with their puppies, and some are cats. And then we walk again after we decide to break here. So you can bring your children here with some trolleys, as it is, you can see there is a people who is walking around with, strolling around with the trolleys. And it's getting hot. Now that we are here, it's very hot. So what we can expect, Singapore is very hot. It's a tropical country. Ang init. I forgot to bring my cups. That's what I get. There is no worry if we lose our way. That's because we are surrounded with the directions and maps. First, signs. There are signs in the railings. So ngayon ay andito tayo sa sa may Kent Bridge. Kung makikita nyo, guys, ayan, with my friend Lynn. Ngayon ay maglalakad kami, magha-hiking kasi linggo ngayon. Pupunta kami sa Henderson Bridge. So kung maririnig nyo, ayan, yung cricket sounds, a wildlife sounds. Yung cricket sounds.
Kaya, let's go. May ipapakita ako sa inyo.
We're young, back to Philippines. We do this in our bamboo tree. Dinodrawingan namin yung kawayan. Nung bata pa kami. Char.
So, all the way tayo doon.
It takes for 2 hours before we're gonna reach the Henderson Waves later. As much as I know, we are not that far yet where we started just now in Alexandra Trail. We could not make a loud noise. That's because there are residents here. Otherwise, mabulabog natin sila, guys. There are signs na wag tayong masyadong maingay. We should throw or bring our rubbish.
Mga may tao, guys. Dito. Ayan.
May nakatira dito. Mga may bahay pala dito.
Dito ata dayo. Ito pa Kent Bridge. Patilok Blanga.
We need to go
Ito
straight.
tayo.
The map say just go straight all the way to the hilltop. What I really loved here in Singapore is, aside from they are a clean country, is they do really put a lots of effort and work to put the greens in these states. Actually, Singapore is a small state. It's a small country. It's just a Dutch, but you can find anything like this. It's like, if you are going inside, you can see as a forested area, but there is a trail. It's sophisticated. So where are we? Yeah, we are here now. We are here. We are getting into the middle of this trail. That's because we can see below there are buildings just now. And do you know, guys, that Singapore has a 300 parks and 4 reserve connectors?
Wait, if we're behind you or behind?
Always be in front of me.
Oh, behind.
Anyway, there are many exits here. So let's follow the Preston Road. If you are going down in these trails, it's already a Preston Road. Getting here to Henderson Waves. There are monkeys in this area. Hopefully, we could not encounter them.
Maririnig nyo, guys, may unggoy, humuhuni.
Now is we are getting lost. We are absolutely lost now. I don't know where are we. We're looking for the maps. That's because this trail has a lot of exits. But anyway, just enjoy the trails. Yeah, guys, seriously, we lost our way. Doesn't know which one. I don't know if we are in a Marang Trail now. Are we getting near to the Marang Trail? I don't think so. So we find buildings. It's been 1 hour and a half. Naglalakad lang kami. Saan na tayo?
So yan, guys, maraming ferns.
Lots of ferns. Ferns, ferns, ferns. As you can see guys, the trail is, this treetop forest walk here is kind of a Z shapes.
So, andito na kami. 2 hours na yung lakad namin. Hindi pa kami nakarating sa aming destination. Ayan oh, malayo pa oh. Kung makita nyo guys, malayo pa. Ayan. Andito pa lang kami.
But we are getting lost now. Let's keep it cool. Hindi tayo makarating ng Malaysia.
So, punta tayo.
Nasa 1.3 kilometers na kami. Pwede din maglakad dyan sa baba. Pero, there are snakes there. Nawala na nga kami dito sa taas eh. Doon pa kaya sa baba. Woohoo! As you can heard guys, there are other wildlife animal sounds and the chirping birds in the background. So, galing kami kanina doon sa may Alexandra.
Ayan guys, kung
Canopy.
maririnig
Doon
nyo,
kami galing. Dapat doon kami
yung cricket
mag-i-exit
sounds,
galing
insect
Tilok
sounds.
Blanga. Pero, in another way around kami. Dito kami nang galing sa may exit, sa may, sa may canopy. Where the Alexandra Trail begins. Tapos, umakyat. Sinundan namin ito, papunta dito sa gitna, kasi gusto namin ma-experience itong forest walk trails all the way to the top. But seems like we are lost. We need to walk and walk. Hindi namin alam kung hanggang saan to, pero this is a good thing. Adventures in the forest. Hindi naman tayo mawawala kasi this is the safest country. Pero we are lost na. Where are we? Henderson na ba to? No, it's not. We are in Tilok Blanga. Forested area. Woo!